Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Here the name of post is Assistant Office Superintendent cum Accountant. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 30 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Ahmednagar. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and last date of making application is 4th June 2024. Friends, before you move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then visit PSU Exam Prep website. There we are offering video lecture course on reasoning topics relevant for your PSU examination. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them in detail. I wish you all the best for your examination. And next vacancy is from IIT Bombay. Name of post is Administrative Superintendent. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 17 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. Initially, it will be on 3 years contract. Experience asked is 4 years. Package will be 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 7th June 2024. Friends, next vacancy is again from IIT Bombay. Name of post is Administrative Superintendent. Job code is different here. Qualification asked is either a BCom or BMS. Master's degree, normal duration of master's program would be counted towards the experience. That's really a good thing. Upper age limit is 32 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. Again, it's initially for 3 years on contract. Experience asked is 4 years. Package and last date is same as that of last vacancy. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Air Force FCAT 2024. Name of post is Flying Officer, Ground Duty, Non-Technical Staff, Administrative. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks. Age limit mentioned is that you should be born between 2nd July 1999 to 1st July 2005. There are 54 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. A package will be 14 lakhs after training. Mode of application is online and last date is 28th June 2024. And next vacancy is again from Indian Air Force FCAT 2024. Name of post is Flying Officer, Ground Duty, Non-Technical Accounts. Qualification asked is graduation in BCom, BBA Finance, BMS Finance, BBS Finance, BSc Finance, or qualified CA, CMA, CS, CFA with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is that you should be born between 2nd July 1999 to 1st July 2005. There are 12 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And rest all details are same as that of last vacancies. And next vacancy is again from Indian Air Force FCAT. Name of post is Flying Officer, Ground Duty, Non-Technical Education Department. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks and post-graduation with minimum 50% marks is required. Age limit is same as that of last vacancy. There are 12 vacancy for these posts. Now, place of posting is all over India and these are permanent vacancies. Rest all detail are same as that of last vacancies. And next vacancy is from Combined Defence Service Examination. Name of post is Lieutenant. Qualification asked is graduation. Here age limit mentioned is that for IMA entry it should be 2nd July 2001 to 1st July 2006, and for OTA entry 2nd July 2000 to 1st July 2006. You should be born between these dates, then only you are eligible. There are massive 395 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India and these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. A package will be 14 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is between 5th June to 11th June. You can make your application. And next vacancy is from Airnet India. Name of post is Manager Finance and Accounts and Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA for Manager Finance or Commerce graduate with CA Inter or CMA Inter for Deputy Manager. Age limit is 50 years for Manager and 45 years for Deputy Manager. There is one vacancy for each post. Place of posting is in Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 1 year of experience for manager and 2 years for deputy manager. Salary per month is 60,000 to 80,000 for manager and 45,000 to 60,000 for deputy manager. Mode of application is that you have to write an email to them by 10th June 2024. And next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Thiruvananthapuram. Name of post is Assistant Registrar. Qualification asked is Master's degree with at least 55% or 5 years in pay level 7 or 7 years in pay level 6. Age limit is 40 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is Thiruvananthapuram. Nature of employment is permanent. Package will be 13 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date of making application is 10th June and hard copy should reach their office by 17th June 2024. Friend, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is office assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with at least 65% marks. Upper age limit is 38 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is Thiruvananthapuram. Nature of employment is permanent. Unit of 5 years of experience in central, state or similar organization. Package will be 6.5 lakh. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I will see you all in the next week with the latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.